video, we would be making a crowd control or a crowd sensing device through which we would be able to display the number of people moving in front of the ultrasonic sensor on the LCD display. This is a very easy and a very simple project to do at home. So please watch the video till the end to get a clear picture and a clear idea of how to do this project and create various other projects on your own in the future. To make this Arduino project, you would need an Arduino Uno, a breadboard, an ultrasonic sensor, a liquid crystal display or LCD, a 10K preset or potentiometer, and a few jumper wires. To make this Arduino project work, a few connections have to be made. So let us make these connections looking into the screen by using a few jumper wires. Code for the Arduino project that would enable you to create a device that would measure the number of people moving in front of your home using an ultrasonic sensor. So let me quickly explain the code. So here first we include the LCD library. Next we define the pins of the ultrasonic sensor to the Arduino Uno. Next we define the pins of the LCD display to the Arduino Uno. In this case of the schematic diagram, these are the following numbers. Next we create variables for the counter. So we create three different variables, one for the counter, one for new state, which is nothing but the new value, and then the old state, which is the old value or the previous value. Next we give the initial distance and initial duration, which is 0. Next we go to the void setup, where we set up the trigger and echo as outputs and inputs for the ultrasonic sensor to work. Next we set up the trigger pin to receive and calculate the distance, and here is a formula to find out the distance using the ultrasonic sensor. So I have explained you why this formula has come in another video, so I would share the link of the video in the top right end of the screen. Next, if the distance is less than 30 cm, then the counter would increase by 1. So it says if distance is lesser than 30 cm, the new state or the new value is equal to 1, or else the new state is 0. And next, if the new state is not equal to the old state, the new state will be equal to 1, which is nothing but counter, and the counter would increase or add 1. But if there is no change, that is if the obstacle is not within the 30 cm mark, then there would be no change. And here we set up the LCD to print the counter. So here I have given the counter is equal to the counter. So here the counter would be printed as initially. Next, and followed by this colon, you would be able to see the number being printed on the display. So this is the Arduino code. It's a very easy code. So let us first verify the code. So now as the code has been compiled, let us upload our code to our Arduino board. So the code has been successfully uploaded. So let us give the power supply to our Arduino and let us see how this project. Now as the code has been successfully uploaded, let us give the power supply to our Arduino project. So now as the power supply has been given, let us see how this project works. So let us use this box as our obstacle or the person. So if we move it in front of the ultrasonic sensor, we were able to see that the counter increased by 1. Now if we move it once more, we could see that the counter increases. Now it again increases when the box or the obstacle is in front of the ultrasonic sensor. So this counter is displaying the numbers at a rate. So if you would like to display these numbers at a slower rate, you would have to increase the delay in the code, and if you would like to display this at a faster rate, you have to decrease the delay. So this is the Arduino project that we have done using an ultrasonic sensor and a LCD display. This project has worked very successfully, and if you have learned something new, please like, share and subscribe to this channel for more Arduino tutorials and other hardware knowledge. And thanks for watching.